Okay, we're going to do the colour for the beautiful rich coloured poppies. I think we're going to start with a simple diet of, we might just start with this one and this one, but while we're working out what this dark coloured one and what this big mid-tone one is with lighter tones, we want to bear in mind that we've also got to travel over to here, and we want a difference in the reds. We don't want all the reds to be the same. So with that in mind, I've put out a couple of dark reds there. There's, gosh, what was it? Oh, I think I threw them back on the table. Oh, they're there. I put, here they are. These three, Reeves Rose Madder and Reeves Brilliant Red there. And then to go darker into this crease area, I'm going to have some fun with this kind of aubergine colour called Deep Violet in the Liquitex. Or if you wanted, you could actually use a bit of Van Dyke Brown or something like that. Or Deep Madder would be great as well. So we might put some of that out as well. Deep Madder.
Doesn't matter.
Doesn't matter. Deep Madder. We'll do that. So there's those. And what I've got in mind is, imagine this against that with some spotting coming through. So we're using a bit of fluoro. So that's the combo there. And we're going to put that directly on the canvas. I'll show you what I mean in a minute. Now we're going to... That one as well.
Did you just toss that one in?
No, it does go with it. It does go. This goes. Oh no, that one doesn't. Yeah, we've got to keep some differences. Okay, so now you can see that these are different. Oh, whoops. Strange camera work. It's just a beta mill here. Okay, so that one is more peachy salmon, isn't it? So how do we make a salmon colour? Do you know? I'll tell you.
When you find a tube,
you buy it.
You buy it, and it's called salmon.
It is good if you can buy it, but have a little bit of this on hand. Now the colour next to it, the one next to it, is going to have a fair bit of this and Naples yellow and pale lemon yellow hue and a bit of grey and stuff. So we don't want to go too far near it, but there is a bit of this. So I'm going to this you can see is a pretty close match. So let's go there. Beg your pardon. This is a cheapie I bought. I don't know what that's like. It might be a little bit too pink, but we'll have a little bit as well. There are some pink highlights just up in a couple of spots, so we might just go around and feather those in. And then of course, good old flesh for a bit of light in the Reeves. So those three so far. That was just a cheapie. I mean, if you don't have it, don't worry about it. Now we're going to go deeper. So what's this colour like? Carmine.
Yeah.
Maybe it's slightly more with orange. So if you use these two together, I think it's going to be different to what we've got over here, a little bit different. You right?
Sound effects, Liz.
Okay, so underneath that, I thought we could do a couple of splats of pink for boldness. You'll see what I mean. Now, it's been hilarious because Lynette likes order, and I've invited her into chaos with this painting. And she's been having palpitations, feeling fear in her chest, but she has done the first part successfully. How are things now? How are you feeling? Slightly less frightened?
Yes, I'm feeling excited. Very. Oh, no, I'm scared.
I'm going to hold you to that.
I'm scared. I'm excited, but I'm scared.
Oh. Okay. And what about you, Anna? How's it feel for you?
Yeah, this is up my alley for sure.
You love it?
Yeah.
Okay.
And I love it too.
Sally loves it too.
Because I don't like everything precise. I like it
a bit arty.
disorderly a little. So
Yeah.
I actually like it.
And what I'm noticing is that we need to notice when we've had a happy accident and don't keep rollering over it to keep the paint a little bit textured and different. So that would be really good. So then when we go over here, we're going more into the golds as well. So we'll probably use Naples yellows with some of these colours. We'll just alter it. So I think we'll start there. That is pretty much the colours. So what did I do? I put those together, didn't I? Okay, so there we go. And I might keep a little bit of this ochre on hand as well, just in case, just to golden it up. So that's how we're looking. Very nice. And this is how we're looking here, ready to go. I might just pull that back and make it look a bit nicer. All right, I'll do a list.